GYEON Booster is our unique fluorine reactive top coat that can be used on any high quality ceramic coating. It changes the surface tension and increases hydrophobicity and slickness. Remember, you can use it on top of GYEON 1, Pure or Mousse, or on any other high quality ceramic coating outside the GYEON range. For optimal performance, apply it on a freshly coated car after at least 4 hours. When you apply it on your sweat applicator, use a moderate amount and apply in a crisscross motion. Remember, you may not see the product, but it will be there, you will feel it, it will feel slick. If you need a little bit more, add on your sweat applicator and wipe off immediately. Remember, this is a reactive top coat that has to be applied within a maximum of 14 days or 1000 kilometers after your initial coating procedure. Because of its fast evaporating formula, it's really easy to overdose, so keep in mind, less is more.